everyone. So for this video I tried to click my self-portraits and I used a lot of hacks online which are extremely famous on YouTube or Instagram. Now my reason of trying this was because already my college is going to start and I wanted to try something which I don't usually do, is clicking photos of my own self, because I'm a bit shy and even if somebody else does it for me I don't really like it, but if I click my own photos I guess I'm a bit more confident and I know I can click my photos better. So my basic reason for trying this was to actually see if those hacks work and how would it turn out if I tried on myself. Now getting back to the video, the first hack which I tried was actually I just opened my refrigerator and just used it as a background to click my pictures. Now this one I had taken in April and they turned out really well, although it was just like a spontaneous decision because it was about 12 o'clock at night and I really couldn't sleep, so my brother told me maybe we could try this, and we tried it out. It turned out really well. Now because it was night and the lighting was not that well, so I tried to give them a bit of a film effect and I just used VSCO to do that, and I guess they turned out pretty well. Now the second one which I tried was of a newspaper backdrop. So all you have to do is you have to get your old newspapers and have to stick it on your wall with a tape, and they come out easily, so there's no problem of it. So then you can just like stand or sit in front of that background and click some photos of yourself. Now this one was my most favorite one, but it just took a lot of time. Now the third hack was all about taking your bed sheet or a cloth which is huge enough to serve as a background and yes, just to use it and click photos. So for that I actually used my red bed sheet and I kind of hung it on my door, which was the only place I could do it. So it was a bit uncomfortable to do it, but it was alright and I thought it was one of the easiest ones to do. For that photo I also wore everything Indian, so top to bottom everything belonged to my mom. Okay, so guys, it's been about 30 minutes and I've been trying to take some shots with dupatta, but I'm facing a problem, which is that my dupatta is small. Like, let me explain. This is a very beautiful one, that's why I chose this one, but it's like just this big. Let me leave my mic. It's just this big, and that is why I am not able to do any of these kind of shots. Like, you understand what I mean? Like, those ones are like so famous and I always wanted to try them, but now I don't know. I've been trying for 30 minutes, so yes, I'll try my level best and see if something comes out. Now the final hack which I tried and I would really recommend you guys to do is about creating a spotlight for yourself using your phone. Now how you have to do is that you need to take a bottle, or you can take anything which is circular in shape, and then suppose this is the phone, but this is only the phone cover. So on this part of the phone you usually have the flash. So here you can stick this like this temporarily, and then make the room dark, or wherever you are trying to click your photos, make that area dark, and then just switch on the flashlight and try to set it, and it gives you like a flash kind of an effect. And especially if you try it with a bottle, it gives you a better effect because it has these holes and everything. And yeah, that was as simple as it is, and I clicked my photos. I guess they looked better in black and white, but yeah, I mean, you can just edit it any way you want. You can use apps like Lightroom or VSCO or Polar or Foodie or like just any app, and you can give it a better look. Like maybe give it a film effect, or give it a vintage effect, or give it a black and white effect, or have some light leaks to make the photo even much better. And that's what I actually have done for all my photos. thank you so much for watching it up till now. I absolutely love clicking photos of myself. Well, if you want to try it out too, I would 100% recommend it to you guys. You should do it. Also, about the apps which I was talking about before, I will link all those in the description so you can go and download those apps if you want to. All are free, and the ones which require presets, those presets are easily available online, so you can try that out too. And be safe. I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.